Are present, both defense counsel and Mr. Sievers. Any additions, deletions, or objections to 7.11 as proposed from the defense? I'm assuming other than the exclusion of at least number 10 on page 4. Which you objected to at the guilt phase, which was reputation evidence, I believe. Right?
Yeah, the copy I have doesn't even include a number 10. States
Right, they took it out, which is why I'm asking if you objected to its
I would
removal.
renew Mr. Mullins.
Just one at a time.
Sorry.
Which is why I asked you
If you objected to its removal. That's the only thing I saw that I thought you might object to that's been taken out.
I'm sorry, Judge. I would renew Mr. Mullins' previous request to have that included.
State?
Your Honor, there's been no evidence. The state would submit that should not be in the instruction.
Okay, I'll note your objection for the record overruled. We'll leave it out. I believe you've already removed child witness and the defendant testifying, correct?
Yes.
I still have it on my page 5.
No, on page 5 it has, Your Honor, the third paragraph down still has that on it.
I also left in the experts, so I wasn't sure there were experts on the defense witness list, so I left it in, but there hasn't been any expert testimony. I don't know if the court wants that out.
It's up to both of you. I mean, they're allowed to consider evidence from the guilt phase, and we had experts, so that's up to both parties. If you both agree as to removing it, I'll remove it, or if one side wants it, I'll leave it in.
I think it should stay in.
It's just confusing.
Well, actually, Ms. Ross is making a good point, because we are asking the jury to rely on the evidence during the guilt phase, and there was expert testimony during guilt phase.
Well, that's why I said if either side wants it, I'll include it.
That's fine.
State wants it,
Yes, Your Honor.
we'll leave it in.
But we do need the
Let's see. You have the victim impact evidence still in there, correct?
Top of page 2.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And no additional mitigators other than the 3 you've asked for the catch-all and the 2 defense?
Yeah, Judge, I just wanted to make clear on page 5, as Ms. Ross said, the defendant in this case has become a witness. It's still in, so we're going to have that.
That'll have to come out.
Yes, working on that.
Yes, on page 3, Judge, since your instruction is going to be among the mitigating circumstances you may consider, so we would ask for those 3.
Okay. We could have those 3 put in the same font as the rest of it as well. It looks smaller for the mitigators.
Change the font.
Any other additions, deletions, or changes either side?
Do you have any other deletions, changes, Mr. Massoy?
I don't see any, Judge.
Okay.
Your Honor, if we might just address one other thing, when you, not specifically with the death penalty instructions, with exhibits going back, the state wanted to propose that instead of sending all the exhibits back with the jury, we let the jury ask for any exhibits they would like to see, or ask if they want them all brought back. I don't know how Mr. Massoy feels about that.
since as in the first phase where we had discussions about certain materials couldn't be sent back, biohazard, things of that nature, but here they're just all photographs, so I would ask that they be sent back.
Well, then, I think all exhibits have to be sent back because the state incorporated, the state by not calling witnesses incorporated all the testimony from the original trial.
That's fine.
Send everything back that we can. How long do you need for your closed state, roughly?
30 minutes, maybe
Okay.
45.
Defense?
No more than that.
Okay. I'm not a huge clock watcher unless it gets out of hand, so just like a rough idea.
Anticipate being very lengthy.
Okay. Once we have those changes, let me know. How about the verdict form? Have you had a chance to look through that, defense?
I did for the one that emailed me.
I can give you a moment to go through it while they make the changes to the final instructions. And then once you're ready, let me know and we'll go through it. Do you need Mr. Hunter to go through the the verdict form?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. For the record, Ms. Ross is present, both defense counsel and Mr. Sievers. Have you had a chance to look over the verdict form, defense?
Yes, Judge.
Any objections or deletions or additions?
No, Judge.
Okay. Once Mr. Hunter gets back, we will have the jurors brought out and we'll begin.
Very well, Your Honor.
If anyone needs to use the restroom, now's the time.